Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on Apple daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. These bulls are strong. We've got an inside candlestick on the daily where the range is fitting completely with inside the previous day's range. And we have that range of 118.30 support, 119.38 resistance, and a strong close kept us above the upper Bollinger Band for the second day in a row, remaining in breakout mode. So if we get a break of 119.38 tomorrow, we're going to be looking up to 120 psychological resistance. The tech sector is still strong. QQQ keeps hitting new all-time highs. And we see the strength the past 4 days for Apple after nice bullish consolidation, holding that middle Bollinger Band. Weekly time frame, very nice continuation, lack of an upper wick at this point. And with 3 trading days left in the week, we're going to see an increase in volume. And as of right now, that would favor the bulls as we look up towards 120 and 120.61 as the next resistances. So bulls still in full control of Apple. If we lose the upper Bollinger Band daily support, we will look to consolidate. It will be normal, healthy consolidation. And after that, multiple resistance levels at 118.02, 118.08. That's the first level of support that we will look to on consolidation. But again, inside candlestick is going to be what to watch for tomorrow. Checking in on the shorter term time frames, we saw a little bit of choppy action to start the day today, and SPY saw a little pullback in the first 15-30 minutes of trading, and then the bulls showed up. And we can see this resistance right here. We were pulling back just below the 100 period 5 minute. And if you looked at the daily time frame when this was going on, that's because the upper Bollinger Band daily resistance was right below this 100 period. So we had multiple resistance levels on multiple time frames lining up, and then the bulls made a clear break and a move to the high of the day. And pretty similar chart here to what we saw with SPY. And let's just check in real quick with SPY. So the bull break started at 11 on Apple, a little bit of a lagging bull break compared to SPY. But you see the top of SPY, the high of the day, was at 12.20. Let's see when that high of Apple was. That was at 11.45. So a little bit of differences, but overall the pattern and the shape ended up being the same. SPY saw a little bit more pullback at the end of the day than Apple did. We can see Apple maintain these higher lows and even got a little break of this lower high pattern at the end of the day. We had tops at 119.19 and 119.19, a little double top. We did break that by a couple pennies at the end of the day. So we're watching the hourly. All moving averages are support, but we're trying to hold this 20 period. A little bit of back and forth with that level today after losing it a couple times, but then quickly regaining it. If we lose that 20 period, we're looking down at the low of the day today of 118.30 because there's a whole lot of space here, and the bulls really want to hold that 20 period because otherwise we could be in for a decent amount of consolidation. You can see how bullish this looks with this nice solid stair-step pattern higher, but the past 2 days the range is shrinking, and it's all about the range we saw today as we watch tomorrow and what to expect. So the S&P 500 and the tech sector will certainly be on high watch to see if Apple's going to make a bull break. But the RSI is cooled off here on the hourly. That's what happened today. And the consolidation from yesterday into today cooled that RSI off from the upper 70s. We're all the way back down into the upper 50s. So still plenty of room to the upside if that is the direction things go. And we'll check back in tomorrow to see which direction this inside candlestick breaks and if the bulls are able to remain above the upper Bollinger Band on the daily in breakout mode. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.